Hi everyone, Dawn here from Padamo Crafts. I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on, if I can get it off, the altered paper clips using flags. They're very quick, very useful, and are brilliant for holding on to things on the edge of a page. So first of all, I get a strip of paper, measure, make sure it fits nicely on the paper clip, fold it in half like so, give it a quick press down with your bone folder, sorry, banging around, and then to find the centre I just fold the top one like so, put a little mark. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's a little mark on the paper. I get my scissors and cut as far up as I would like the pointy bits of the flag to be. Go from the edge to the fold on both sides, and you should end up with a nice banner or flag. And just check again, make sure it fits how you'd like it. And then at this point you would decide whether you want it to go in that way or that way. Now if it's directional paper or it makes a difference, you would just put it in the other way around, and then you'll find that you've got the right side up. So I then go off to the sewing machine. Here's one I did earlier. Straighten it out and sew all around the edges. Boom, 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 like so. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can either leave it or draw. Cut that off, like so. And then when you fold it over the paper clip, it looks as though it's been sewn into place. Now you can either stick it into place now or decorate it first. Got that around the wrong way, that's it. So for something little, I would, yeah, I've got a nice bit of net there, cut a little tiny bit of that, like so. Perhaps hang that on the top like that. Use my collal. I find this slightly easier to use than Fabri-Tac or 3-in-1, because it's slightly thinner, so it comes out much easier, and much easier to shut the bottle when you're finished. Smells horrible though. Then just press that down how you'd like it. Then I get maybe a flower. Cut a flower off. I think I'll have one with a bit of tulle on it, or net. These, they don't really matter if you cut the flower, because it's sewn on. And I would probably, yeah, I'll put that there. This is acetate based glue, just like Fabri-Tac. It's somewhat cheaper and more easily available in the UK. Press that down. Now have a look for a word. So here's all my Tracy labels and some of the happiness in crafting. Move that out of the way. So let's have a look. So it's got some blues in it. No, too big. Or could always fold it round like so. That'll do. Put that out of the way. Ink it all up. And as always, when I'm doing edges, I like to use vintage photo. Just quickly go around the back as well. And around the label. I do try and crumple the label up a bit to make it look even a bit more old. Right. And at this point I would decide which way I wanted it. So I'd like that to go in the page that way. Whoops. Slide it underneath and glue it. You don't have to be too generous with the glue because you literally just want to make sure it doesn't fall off the paper clip. Get a good press down. Myself, I often when I want something to glue, I'll just put a peg down and leave it for a few minutes. I find that works better than any of the purpose-built ones or purpose-made. Add a little ticket. The reason I'm using Kalau is because of the net. I want to make sure it sticks. Fold that over the side like so. Now you can either leave it at that or add something else. Sometimes I like to get some jute. Tie it round here, a bit longer than that. Tie it round like so. Knot it. Tie a bow. Right. Make sure that's in the right place. And it's how you'd like it. Don't know about that. No, I don't like that, but it's an idea. Oh, excuse me, won't come off. There we go. So, I hope you enjoyed this very quick and simple idea. Obviously, it's not mine. I'm not the first one to have done it. This is just my take on it. Anyway, see you all again soon. Bye.